Welcome one and all. I'm Miss Balwan PV from Electrical Department of Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edrao. In previous lecture, we discussed about the resonance in series and parallel circuit. In that, we discussed from last lecture resonance in parallel RLC circuit. This is the diagram of parallel RLC circuit, that is R and L are connected in series and C is connected parallel with this combination, and supply voltage is parallel to two branches, that is RL and C. So this is RLC parallel series circuit. This is parallel RLC series circuit or parallel RLC resonance circuit. Phase angle of parallel resonance circuit. Phase angle of parallel resonance circuit is nothing but the parallel resonance circuit is inductive below the resonant frequency. Parallel resonant circuit is inductive below the resonant frequency. This is resonant frequency FR point, and below the resonant frequency parallel circuit is inductive, and above resonant frequency parallel circuit is capacitive. The phase angle phi between voltage and current varies between minus 90 degree to 0 degree. The phase angle phi between voltage and current. Phase angle phi between, in phasor diagram, angle phi between voltage and current, supply voltage and current, it varies between minus 90 degree to 0 degree. Phase angle of parallel resonance circuit. Phase angle of parallel resonance circuit, that is parallel resonance circuit, is inductive below the resonant frequency and capacitive above the resonant frequency. The phase angle phi between voltage and current varies between minus 90 degree to 0 degree for when resonant frequency is below the resonant frequency, then circuit is inductive and phase angle varies from minus 90 degree to 0 degree. Then phase angle phi between voltage and current varies between 0 when F is equal to FR. The circuit is purely resistive, means when frequency is equal to resonant frequency, then circuit is called a resistive circuit, and at that condition phase angle phi between voltage and current varies between 0 degree, means phase angle is 0 degree when frequency is equal to resonant frequency, and circuit is called purely resistive circuit. And circuit is called inductive when frequency is below resonance frequency and phase angle varies from minus 90 degree to 0 degree, this angle phi. And when parallel resonance circuit is capacitive above the resonant frequency, the phase angle phi between voltage and current varies between 0 to 90 degree. Means at that condition, when frequency is above the resonant frequency, then circuit is called as capacitive circuit, or resonant circuit is called capacitive circuit or is capacitive circuit, and at that condition phase angle phi is varies from 0 to 90 degree. Next point is bandwidth of parallel resonance. Definition of bandwidth: it is the difference between frequencies f2 minus f1 at which the circuit impedance is 0.707 times the maximum impedance ZD. Again, it is the difference between frequencies f2 minus f1 at which the circuit impedance is 0.707 times the maximum impedance ZD. Bandwidth is equal to f2 minus f1. Expression for bandwidth or detail of bandwidth we can see here. This is the resonance curve or graph in which there is 0. This is frequency versus impedance graph is there for bandwidth of parallel resonance circuit. In series resonance, there is a graph of frequency versus current, and in series current versus frequency, and in parallel impedance versus frequency. For series resonance, current is maximum at resonance frequency. For a series resonance, current is maximum for resonance frequency. So to calculate the bandwidth, current varies current versus frequency graph is considered. But for parallel resonance, impedance is maximum at resonance frequency. So to calculate bandwidth, consider graph of impedance versus frequency. This graph is shown in figure. At resonance frequency Fr, means at that frequency, this is Fr resonant frequency, the circuit impedance is maximum. Circuit impedance is here, and this impedance is maximum at resonant frequency Fr, and that impedance is called or denoted by ZD, that is dynamic impedance. Hence F1 and F2 are half power point. This F1 and F2 are half power point. That means at F1 and F2 the power is half than that of the power at Fr. What is the power of resonance frequency? At that F1 and F2, power of F1 and F2 is half of the power of Fr. Means F1 आणि F2ला जी पावर असणार आहे ती रिझोनन्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी Fr च्या पावरच्या निम्मी असणार आहे, हाफ असणार आहे. नेक्स्ट, ॲट F1 and F2 impedance is 0.707 times of ZD. Impedance at F1 and F2 impedance is, at that point of F1 and F2 impedance is 0.707 times of the dynamic impedance. The bandwidth is difference between F2 and F1. How to calculate bandwidth? This is the bandwidth this is total F2. From this total F2 minus the F1 we get this value, and this value is the bandwidth, that is F2 minus F1. Q factor of the parallel circuit. What is Q factor? The quality factor is defined as the voltage magnification of the for the series RLC circuit. This is for series RLC circuit. The quality factor is defined as the voltage magnification for the series RLC circuit, and for parallel RLC this is current magnification. Already we discussed the points related to series RLC resonance circuit. In that also we cover these points: bandwidth, quality factor, RLC series magnification. In that, what is the quality factor of series RLC circuit? That is voltage magnification for the series RLC circuit. Then we can define quality factor of parallel circuit, quality factor for parallel circuit as the current magnification provided at resonance. That means at resonance condition there is current magnification is there, and this is called a quality factor of parallel circuit. We can define quality factor of parallel circuit as the current magnification provided at resonance, and this current magnification or this quality factor is called a current magnification factor. Resultant current I is minimum at resonance. In parallel circuit, resultant current is minimum at resonance condition, and in series there is resultant current is maximum at resonance. So parallel circuit is totally opposite to the series circuit, series resonance circuit or parallel resonance circuit. So what is in parallel circuit? Current, resultant current is minimum at resonance condition. The branch current IL and IC are very large. In parallel resonance circuit, branch current IL and IC are very large. So we get the formula for Q, or quality factor, is equal to 1 upon R under root L upon C. Now here in this expression we discuss about the how to get this formula Q is equal to 1 upon R root LC, or how to calculate this formula. We can see here At resonance frequency, Fr, the voltage and current are in phase. The current at resonance is denoted by IR, that is V upon ZD, where ZD is the dynamic impedance. At resonance condition means at resonance frequency, that is Fr, voltage and current are in phase. That means in phasor diagram voltage and current is in phase. That means phase angle phi is equal to 0. The current at resonance is denoted by IR. IR is equal to V upon ZD. This is the formula. IR is equal to voltage upon dynamic impedance. The current through inductive branch is denoted by IL. The current flowing or current through the IL or inductive branch, we can see in diagram there is a series RLC circuit. In that, this is R and L, and current through this inductive branch means in the branch in which inductor is present. So current through this inductor branch is IL and current through this capacitor branch is IC. So the current through the inductive branch is IL and current through capacitive branch is denoted by IC. The current at resonant frequency and the current at resonance condition IR is small compared to IC and IL. In parallel resonance circuit, current at resonance condition means at F is equal to Fr condition, there is current is IR, and this IR is less or small compared to IL and IC. Q factor is also called as current magnification factor. Q factor we can say that current magnification factor. So Q is equal to IC upon IR. This is IC divided by IR, current through capacitor or current at resonance condition. Q is equal to, then IC. Now we have to find out the value of IC and IR, and this value have to put in this formula. So IC is equal to V upon XC. V is the supply voltage and XC is the reactance of capacitor, capacitive reactance. This is the standard formula. IC is equal to V upon XC. But what is XC? XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. So the value of XC put in this formula IC. IC is equal to V upon, in place of XC put the 1 upon 2 pi FC. 1 upon 2 pi FC. Then IC is equal to this V and this 1 upon 2 pi FC, cross multiply here and we get V into 2 pi FC. This is the value of IC. This value of IC put in this equation Q. But now we have to calculate IR. We find out IC. Now we have to find IR. Then IR, current at resonance, is equal to V upon ZD. V is equal to supply voltage and ZD is equal to dynamic impedance. Then ZD is equal to, formula is L upon RC. This is the standard formula we got from the previous lecture. There is current and voltage of resonance parallel circuit. In that we calculate the ZD, which is equal to L upon RC. So IR is equal to V upon ZD, and in place of ZD we have to put L upon RC. So we get IR is equal to V upon L upon RC. After cross multiplication, IR is equal to, we get the V into RC upon L. So putting equation, this IR, value of IR and value of IC, this IR and IC value put in the equation 4.11, that is Q is equal to IC upon IR. So Q is equal to, what is the value of IC? V into 2 pi FC, and upon IR is equal to VRC upon L from this equation. Then simplify this equation, 2 pi FC upon R, because this is cross multiply, then V get cancelled, RC get cancelled, sorry, CC get cancelled, only remaining is 2 pi F and L, 2 pi FL divided by R. Only this term is remaining from simplifying this equation. The resonance frequency FR is equal to 1 upon, resonance frequency FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. We know this standard formula, or we calculate in previous lecture, that is resonant frequency point. In resonant frequency point, we have to derive this equation, Fr is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Then put this Fr in this equation. Then Q is equal to 2 pi L. 2 pi L keep as it is and divided by R. Then in place of Fr, that is resonant frequency, put this value of frequency 1 upon 2 pi root LC. 2 pi get cancelled. Then only remains is there L upon R root LC. L upon R root LC. Then this L, numerator L is right, likewise root L into root L, then divided by R into root L into root C. Only we separate these terms. Then root L get cancelled, numerator denominator root L get cancelled, only remains root L divided by R root C. So Q is equal to 1 upon R under root L upon C. We get this final value or formula of Q, quality factor Q is equal to 1 upon R root LC, that is Q is equal to 1 upon R root LC. Likewise, we can derive this formula. Effect of Q on bandwidth. Effect of Q on bandwidth, the parallel resonance curve become sharpened with increase in the value of Q. Therefore, bandwidth decreases with increase in value Q. The parallel resonance curve become sharpened with increase in the value, decrease in the value of Q. Therefore, bandwidth decreases with increase in value Q. Bandwidth is equal to Fr upon Q. That means bandwidth is inversely proportional to quality factor at resonance frequency, or when resonance frequency is fixed. That means when large Q, small bandwidth, the value of Q, quality factor, is large, then bandwidth is small, means there is sharpened bandwidth. And when quality factor Q is large, when quality factor is large, then sharpen the bandwidth, or bandwidth is small. Then when small Q, means quality factor or Q is small, then bandwidth is large. That means bandwidth and quality factor is inversely proportional. If large Q, then small bandwidth. If small Q, then large bandwidth, which is shown in this figure or graph. Next is magnification in parallel resonant circuit. Magnification in parallel resonant circuit. This is the parallel resonant circuit, RLC. R and L is connected in series. This is one branch. This is current flow through this branch is IL. This is inductor branch, and this is capacitor branch, because here capacitor is connected parallel to this combination, and current flow through capacitor is IC. And supply voltage V is parallelly connected to these both branches, and current through the supply voltage V, and current is I. First, current through L, current through inductor branch. Then what is IL? IL is equal to Q into I, quality factor Q into total current I. This expression shows that current through the inductor of a parallel resonant circuit is Q times source current I. म्हणजेच आय एल हा करंट इंडक्टर थ्रू जाणारा करंट आहे आय एल आणि हा आय एल इज इक्वल टू काय आहे क्यू इंटू आय मीन्स क्वालिटी फॅक्टर क्यू टाइम्स ऑफ आय टोटल करंट सिन्स दॅट मीन्स क्यू इज ग्रेटर दॅन वन म्हणजे ही कंडिशन कधी असेल आय एल इज इक्वल टू क्यू इंटू आय जेव्हा क्यू हा ग्रेटर दॅन वन असेल अँड आय हा ग्रेटर दॅन आय एल हा ग्रेटर दॅन आय असेल क्यू इज ग्रेटर दॅन वन आणि आय एल ग्रेटर दॅन आय करंट मॅग्निफिकेशन टेक्स प्लेस ह्या कंडिशनला करंट मॅग्निफिकेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन पॅरलल रिझोनंट सर्किट अँड क्यू इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ करंट मॅग्निफिकेशन फॅक्टर म्हणजे अशी कंडिशन जेव्हा असेल आय एल इज इक्वल टू क्यू इंटू आय क्यू टाइम्स आय एल इज इक्वल टू क्यू टाइम्स ऑफ total current I when Q is greater than 1 and IL is greater than I. At that condition, current magnification is take place in parallel resonance circuit. Only at that condition, current magnification present in parallel resonance circuit and Q is called, at that condition, Q is called as current magnification factor. Then current through L, we can see current through L. And now current through C. IC is equal to Q into I. This expression shows that current through the capacitor of parallel resonant circuit is Q times of source current I. Means IC is equal to IC is current through capacitor. IC is equal to also Q times of total current I. And in that expression also this condition is satisfied when Q is greater than 1 and IC is greater than I. This IC is greater than I and Q is greater than 1. At that condition only this IC is equal to Q into I condition is satisfied and so that condition current magnification take place in parallel resonant circuit. Means at that condition also current magnification takes place in parallel resonant circuit and Q is called as a current magnification factor. So Q factor is a quality factor is current magnification factor. At that condition IC is equal to Q into I when Q greater than 1 and IC greater than I. Now comparison of series and parallel circuit. Comparison of series and parallel resonance circuit, not a series and parallel, only series and parallel circuit. This is comparison of series and parallel resonance. First parameter is parameter series resonance and parallel resonance. Circuit connection R, L and C are in series with supply voltage V in series resonance. In parallel resonance R and L are in series and this branch is a parallel with C and V, capacitor and voltage. Then circuit impedance. In series resonance minimum circuit impedance is Z is minimum and Z is equal to R only. And in parallel resonance maximum impedance is there ZD, we call that dynamic impedance, is equal to formula is L upon RC and here Z is equal to only R. That is circuit connection, circuit impedance. Next parameter resonance frequency. Frequency in series resonance, that is FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. And in parallel resonance frequency is equal to FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 upon LC minus R square L square for small r. If this is for large R and if there is R is small or negligible, then this term is neglected and only we can write here Fr is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root Lc. This is resonance frequency for series and parallel resonance. Current is equal to, current for series resonance is maximum, I is equal to V upon R, and for parallel resonance current is minimum, I is equal to V upon ZD, means V upon L upon RC. Nature, resonance, series resonance is purely resistive nature and parallel resonance purely resistive. Power factor, in series resonance also unity and parallel resonance also unity power factor is there. Quality factor Q is equal to, in series resonance 1 upon R under root L upon C, and parallel resonance also quality factor is Q is equal to 1 upon R under root L upon C. Type of magnification, in series resonance there is voltage magnification, in parallel resonance there is a current magnification. Series voltage magnification, in parallel current magnification. Circuit type, in series resonance is called as acceptor circuit and parallel resonance circuit is called rejector circuit. Application, series resonance used for tuning of radio receiver and parallel resonance used for impedance matching and filtering. So in this lecture we discussed a parallel resonance circuit, or totally series and parallel resonance circuit in this chapter is. Then from last lecture we discussed a parallel resonance circuit, and in previous of this lecture we discussed a series resonance circuit. In parallel resonance circuit there is, in this lecture we discussed a phase angle of parallel resonance circuit, bandwidth of parallel resonance, then this expression, quality factor of parallel circuit, derivation or expression for quality factor, effect of quality factor on bandwidth, magnification in parallel resonance circuit, comparison of series resonance and parallel resonance. Theoretical of this lecture is completed here. Theoretical part of this lecture is completed here, and mathematical or examples is remaining, which is we will see in next lecture. After that this chapter will be completed, or will complete this chapter. Theoretical part of this chapter is completed in this lecture. So, thank you.